If you want to solve exercise 2.5 question number 9, we have to verify. Now I will force you to just see this verification 2-3 times. After you have to watch this 2-3 times, and then you will be able to understand it. This is easy, but we have to use a plus b whole cube, or you can say x plus y whole cube identity. Okay, and we are going to play in this question. थोड़ा सा खेलना पड़ेगा हमको, यहाँ से वहाँ जंप करनी पड़ेगी values. So we are going to see that, see it very properly and understand it very properly. So what we are going to do is consider x plus y whole cube is equals to x cube plus y cube plus 3xy into x plus y. Correct? We have to take the help of this identity, and I have written it in another way. Okay, generally we used to use the identity x cube plus y cube plus 3x square y plus 3xy square. If you expand this, you will get that. Okay, this is the previous step of the particular identity. So now we are going to use this identity. Okay, now by this identity I am going to prove this. Okay, verify करने के लिए बोला उन्होंने. So I am going to take the help of this and I am going to prove this or verify this. Alright, so let us see how. The very first thing I am going to do is मैं x cube plus y cube as it is लिख देता हूँ. x cube plus y cube, correct, is equals to, मतलब ये हमने यहीं पे रखा है. I am taking this complete value to LHS. मैं यहाँ पे लेके आऊंगा, ठीक है, इसके बाजू में. Okay, if I am transposing the value, so then sign will change. तो ये प्लस यहाँ आने के बाद माइनस हो जाएगा. दिस इज इंपॉर्टेंट स्टेप. सो x प्लस वाई होल क्यूब, ये यहीं पे रखा है मैंने, ये प्लस इधर आके माइनस हो गया 3xy इंटू एक्स प्लस वाई. अब आप बोलेंगे सर यू हैव टेकन दिस वैल्यू टू दिस साइड, बट ये तो यहीं पे रखी है. नहीं, सी इमेजिन करो, ये वैल्यू यहीं पे है, ये मैंने यहाँ पे रखी है और इसको इधर लेके आया, एंड देन फ्लिप इट. इसको फ्लिप करने के बाद ये वैल्यूज यहाँ पे. So I hope you will understand this. Then this is very important. Okay, so now I got this. So what I am going to do is I am going to write as it is x cube plus y cube is equals to, क्योंकि हमको ये equals to verify करना है, proof करना है. So x plus y whole cube, यहाँ पे भी x plus y है and यहाँ पे भी x plus y है. So I can take common from them. So I'll take x plus y common. x plus y common निकाल दिया, and then inside the bracket, यहाँ से 3 टाइम्स थे तो मैंने एक निकाल दिया, तो I have left with x plus y whole square minus 3xy bracket close, क्योंकि x plus y तो निकल गया. Correct? I hope you understand this. This is also important. Now x plus y as it is, and now it becomes easy. X plus y whole square is x square plus y square plus 2xy minus 3xy. इसको एक्सपांड कर दिया x प्लस वाई होल स्क्वायर को, तो दिस आई विल गेट. ओके, सो लेट अस सॉल्व दिस एंड वी विल गेट द आंसर. x प्लस वाई एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस वाई स्क्वायर 2xy माइनस 3xy. 2xy माइनस 3xy इज इक्वल्स टू माइनस xy. 2 में से 3 गए, माइनस 1. सो माइनस xy x cube plus y cube, and hence you got this. See, you have this. So this will be your final verification, and you can say hence verified. All right, so this is your particular way of solving this. Please see it very properly, please understand it very properly. And the very next question, in the same question 9th, you have the second part, which is in the minus form. So that will be also solved in the same way. Okay, so you have to practice for that as well, and I hope you will understand that. If any doubts will be there, you can comment there. We can come to that also. All right, so thank you.